Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 32 from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at a rectangle with a slanted cutout or angled cutout on the left side of it. But now before we do that, there's also a nice little way you can actually mirror it. So let's say you have a material on one side is nice on the other side. Instead of trying to make a cutout and then flipping it, you can actually make two cutouts, and then you just rotate the one shape 180 degrees, and then you'll have a nice mirror of it. But now in order to do that, let's go to our flat parts, open this dialog, and then we'll see here we've got P32. I'm gonna click that and just quickly look at this little preview. So now from the preview we've got three different values. We've got a B, a V, and an A. Now obviously the B will be setting the top width, the V will be setting the height of the shape, and the A will be setting the bottom width of the shape. So now what we can do, like I mentioned, so I'm going to fill in some values here. So let's make our B on top maybe 200, our A, go our B 300, and our V I'm going to make about 150. So it's not going to be quite the same as this shape, and it's going to be obviously a reverse. The bottom's going to be smaller. So if I say okay, yeah, we can see we've got a bottom that's smaller than the top, and then we've got the height of 150. So I'm going to add one to our worksheet quick. Let's add this part, and then I'm just going to put this here at the bottom. So now, like I said, if we want a mirrored version of this, maybe for your product you need two sides, then what we can do, instead of cutting two of these out and flipping the material in case there's something wrong with your material, the other side's maybe not as pretty, or you're not going to treat it with the final coat of something, then what you can do is this method. So you go again, and we go to part 32, and then what we want to do is invert everything. So now we want to make the bottom 300, 300, not 30, make the top 200 and 150. So now if we say okay, we'll see we've got an exact inverse of that one. And I go manual 1, okay, we'll we add this part right on top of it, and now you can see we've got a nice mirror version. So we can simply just rotate one of these shapes, whichever we need, in 180 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, and then we've got a nice mirror of it. So yeah, otherwise that is it on part 32. It's the spot you might use a lot for walls or so forth of your products, and then it's just good to know how you can mirror it so it makes sense. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.